Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gopi Chandran. Today we are going to discuss about a weekly income strategy. So weekly income strategy using India VIX. Before getting into this video, let me just tell you I have made two videos. One video is a monthly income strategy video and the other one is a weekly income strategy. So if you are willing to purchase these two videos, I will give my number in the description. You can contact me in that number. So let's get into the strategy. In this strategy, we are giving importance to India VIX. Okay, so we are entering into this strategy only when India VIX is low. Okay, I think most of you know what is India VIX. India VIX is the volatility of Nifty. So volatility of Nifty is India VIX. So this shows how Nifty is volatile or not. So there are some rules which you have to follow in this strategy. The first is you can enter on Friday. In this strategy you can enter on Friday and Monday only. Okay, you don't have to enter other days. Second one is you have to enter the strategy when India VIX is low. India VIX is on a lower side. Third one is you have to look into the open interest. Okay, open interest means you have to look into the call highest open interest and put open interest, put side open interest, put highest open interest. So we are giving importance to the open interest first. For example, if Nifty is 16200, okay, if Nifty is 16200 and on the call side if the highest open interest is at 16500, okay, 16500 call. So what we have to do, first we have to sell it. Okay, first you have to sell the strategy. For example, you are selling it at, let's assume 30 rupees. Okay, and on the put side let's assume 16,000 or 15,900 is having the highest open interest. So you should look into the open interest first. Before selecting the strategy, you should look into the open interest first. So 5900 is having the highest open interest and the price of the put is let's assume 40. Okay, this is just an example, right? Okay, on the call side and put side, first you have to sell this both. Okay, sell this both means you have to select this week strategy. For example, this is August, so coming expiry is on 12th August. So you have to sell current week expiry. First you have to sell current week expiry. After that you have to buy the next week. That means next week is 19th August. Okay, so you are buying 19th August. Now you have to be very careful. So what is the price here? 30 and 40, right? So you have to select the same prices because we are going to make it Vega positive. We are going to make this strategy Vega positive. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select the same prices, premiums. For example, if in this case in the call option, if 16700 is having the same price of 30, okay, you have to select call buy. You have to buy on the next month, on the not on the next month, on the next week you have to buy. And on the put side, if it is 15700, what you have to do? You have to buy. Buy at what price? Buy at 40. This is what you have to look into. You have to match up the premiums. Okay, then only we will get the Vega positive. Vega positive means what? When there is some fluctuation, we are entering the strategy only when India VIX is low. Okay, you don't have to enter the strategy when India VIX is high. Avoid it entering the strategy when India VIX is high. Enter the strategy only when India VIX is low. Okay, when Vega is positive we get more returns. I'll show you how we get more returns. So if it is a positive Vega means we don't have to be afraid of the volatility. We will be in a safer zone when the volatility increases. That is why we are entering into the strategy when India VIX is low and we are exiting when the VIX is on a higher side. We will get maximum returns when India VIX is on a higher side. So now I will show you how the payoff graph works. Let's get into that video. So friends, now I will show you how to make the payoff graph. So before getting into that, let me just tell you, see, this is India VIX chart. Okay, this chart you can get if you are using Zerodha, you have to just type here India VIX, so you can get the India VIX chart. And see, now if you see this area, now India VIX is 12.71. okay, so this is where India VIX is now, as I told you, it's on a lower side. So this area is where we can enter into these strategies. Okay, so if you take example in the month of Feb, okay, you can see India VIX was on a higher side, 28.
Okay, so before that also India VIX went lower by 18 points only. So India VIX was normally in that range, but now you can see India VIX is almost on the lower side. So this is where you have to enter into this type of strategies using India VIX. So now I will show you how to make the strategy in Opstra options. So we have taken Opstra option strategy builder. See, now today when I am making the video, it's Tuesday, so it's not good to enter into this strategy. As I told you, you have to enter on Fridays or Monday. So in this scenario, we will be taking 18th August and 26th August. I have mentioned 19th because 19th is an holiday. So 18th August is expiry. So 18th August and 26th August we will make a strategy. So first on the put side, let's see. You have to look into the open interest, the highest open interest. So now if you have looked into the open interest, you can see where maximum OI is there. Okay, and once you see the maximum OI, for example, this is for example I am taking 16,000. Okay, let's take 16,000 as an example. So first you have to create, as I told you, a short triangle, right? So you have to create a short triangle of 16,000, and on the this is on the put side, and on the call side we are taking 16,500. Okay, so 16,500, market is now at 16,300. Okay, so we are taking 16,500. So now we got on call side and put side. Okay, so you have to remember this prices 26, and what was that, the other price? The other price was 32, right? So you have to remember this price, and now we are taking 26th August. Okay, same, you have to pick up the same price. Okay, the strike with the same price. So in this case we are taking 16,000 was the price, right? 16,000. So 30. Okay, 30 we got 15,750, right? So 15,750, it's close to 32. Okay, so you have to buy one lot, and on the other side of 15 on the other side 16,500 was our price, right? So we have to check 20, what was the price? 26. So we have to check with the same price. Okay, 26 we have found 25. Okay, 16,650. So you have to select 16,650, and now let's see how the strategy payoff graph comes. Okay, so this is how the payoff graph comes, like calendar strategy. Okay, so now you have to see the probability of winning the trade is 71%. The maximum profit is 2,400, and the max loss is 12,000. The range itself is very good. In a week, if you are getting this very good range, it's very good, no? So you can select the range comes between 15,946 and 16,575. So see, you can check the Greeks also. As I told you, the Vega is positive. So once the Vega is positive, means if volatility comes, we are safe. See, you have to enter into a strategy wherein theta is positive and Vega is positive. So Vega positive means when the volatility comes, it won't affect you. You will be on a safer mode. Okay, so here I'll show you how it works. Now this IV is 0, right? You can see 2,400 is 465 is the max profit. I'll show you how the max profit increases. Now from let's see, once the IV raises to 20%. Okay, see here max profit have increased to 3,376. So when the IV increases, the profit also increases. So this is how you can work on this strategy. See, you have to enter in this strategy only when the India VIX is low. You don't have to enter on every week. See, if India VIX is on a higher side, you don't have to enter into this strategy because you will be making losses if India VIX is on a higher side. If India VIX is on a lower side, you can definitely enter into the strategy, and you should select the dates, and according to that you can enter into the strategy.
Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.